What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday here at 5:45 p.m. Guys, technology has not been our friend the past couple days, but I will have to say, thanks to this beautiful man right here, Mr. BJ.
We're canceling the show.
It's over, guys. Thank you so much, BJ. Guys, BJ just saved our life here. Obviously, technology was kicking our butt yesterday, and today it just continued. So shout out to BJ for fixing all those technical issues. So bear with me because things are going to kind of be different than they usually are. But yes, we would be nowhere without BJ. BJ saves the day more than once every day. And we got Taco on the set as well. Taco was here for moral support.
Moral support. He won't kiss my face on stream. I'm good to go.
Yes. Thank you, Taco, and thank you, BJ. Guys, welcome back to the stream. We're back in the studio. You know, I actually had some technical difficulties earlier today as well, as I tried to make a market update video for you guys, and when I went to upload it, my internet at the home studio was at a snail's pace. As you guys know from yesterday, our stream did not go well. So I actually had a market update that was supposed to be uploaded at like 1 o'clock this afternoon, but it's still uploading because the internet is so dang slow. So here we are. I came back to the studio just for this live stream, guys. So thank you all who've tuned in tonight. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin, guys. We've actually might have predicted perfectly in yesterday's Market Watch video what is happening right now. So what I'm gonna do with that market update video, guys, it's gonna upload eventually, and as soon as it uploads, I'm just gonna put it live. I'll put it in the Discord. Definitely go check it out. I cover some things I probably won't cover in the stream, so it's worth a watch. But it is probably not gonna come out until after the stream, so keep an eye out for that. But long story short, guys, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, we're taking a look at the alts, and you know, yesterday in the Market Watch, we were talking about a couple different scenarios. You know, I was kind of like, sorry, I know I'm giving you like 5 different scenarios that can possibly play out here, but that's just the environment we're in right now. You know, there's so many things that could play out. Are we going to launch up from here? Are we going to get another leg down? And then I was saying, you know, we are in this, you know, we'll get to it when we touch on the charts. But before we get into it, guys, and before we say what's up to chat, don't forget to smash that like button if you want a chance to win a free Cardano NFT. For every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure. Let's run it up today. We got 331 people in here already. I'm already sweating, guys. I'm taking off the shirt. I'm taking it off. Oh, God, yeah. It is so hot in here. It's unbelievable. But, guys, if you guys want to win a Cardano NFT for free, every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel. And, hey, for the first time ever, guys, this is the first time we've ever done this, ever in the history of the channel. We're going live on TikTok right now. We're going to try to get some of the TikTok gang into the CandleMafia here from good old TikTok. So here we go. Bada boom. All right, guys. So let's say what's up to the Mafia real quick, and then let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Who do we got in chat? Again, guys, you're going to have to bear with me. I got my charts over here, and they're usually over here. Chat's usually over there. Things moved around because our internet just doesn't work here, apparently. So BJ fixed that for us and kind of rearranged some things. So bear with me if I get a little confused. But let's say, who do we got in here? Jimmy Two Shoes. Shout out to Jimmy Void with the Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. I don't have my black coffee, man, but I do have my light blue and silver can of water. Definitely not Red Bull. What's up, TikTok? Welcome to the Frankie Candles live stream. Here we go. Jimmy Two Shoes, what is going on? Thank you for being here, man. NYC Pitbull says, bing bong. What's up, NYC Pitbull? Thank you for being here. 21 Window, what's up? K-Leash, what is going on? ER Berg, what's up? Rob the Crypto Snob, as always. Tony D, one of our amazing mods. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. Connor Anderson, what is going on? Yeah, I had a yellow X, then... I had a yellow, then got banned and got 2 greens, then got hacked and ended up with a fat side. No idea what we're talking about there, Connor, but shout out to you. Thank you for being here. Jason, what's going on? ADHIAJ, what is going on? Ryesh, what's up? Crypto Recon, what is going on? Long or short? Bing, bing. What is going on? We're short, Crypto Recon. We are short. Let's see. Gravette, what is going on? Cheeto, what's up? NBF, what is going on? DJ Mad. Wow, we got a lot of new people in here. Ada Bor, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Crypto Billy, as always, man. Salute. I saw you hit me up on Discord. I was recording a video, so I did not answer you, but I did see it. I will check on it and answer you, Crypto Billy. Rob the Crypto Snob, what's up? As always, good to see you. Don't threaten us with a good time, guys. We're here. We made it. Thank God. It's been a rough couple days. As you guys know, I have been sick. I've been trying to work from the house, but the internet is just, we literally have dial-up internet at my house. I don't know what the problem is, but it is literally, I have, my upload speed is like 0.5. It's a joke. I don't know what's going on. Gonna have to get that fixed. But let's see. Lazarus, what's going on? Looney, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Two Scoots, what's going on? Moral support. Shout out to Taco. Chemistry Bro, what is going on? Let's see. Bates, Bobby, Crypto Granny, what's going on? Frankie, lasagna is ready. Let's go. Bringing you the sauce tonight, guys. And then Nate, what is going on? And Mr. Ethereum, let's go with the money wing emojis. Casey and Blessed Auto Group, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the stream. We're in it at full force. Voice is still a little bit raspy, still feeling a little under the weather, but I did just take some Tylenol, so we should be pretty good with the not Red Bull, the water, and we should be good with the water and the Tylenol. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts, guys. I hope you guys can see my charts because I can't see if you guys can see the charts. Usually I could tell, but I don't have that monitor right now. So hit me with a bunch of red flags in chat if you guys can't see my chart. But here we are, guys. Starting off on Bitcoin, right? Let's go ahead and we're gonna start off on the daily here. Big news, guys. Not big news, but I mean, kind of. Here it is, guys. If you remember, yesterday's Market Watch, I was saying that obviously we had a couple scenarios that could play out here, right? We are in a giant downtrend, obviously, right? Excuse me, boom. And now we are consolidating in this bear pennant, bear flag, bearish rectangle, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, honestly, there's a bunch of different ways, there's a bunch of different ways to draw these patterns. Yeah, see, I don't have my keyboard hooked up to the charts, guys. This might be a little bit rough. Bear with me, guys. I will fix this by tomorrow. What's up, TikTok? I see there's people on TikTok right now. Welcome to the Frankie Candles live stream. If you guys want to hop in on YouTube, it's Frankie Candles on YouTube. We do 2 hours of TA every single weekday. Guys, so we're in this massive downtrend on Bitcoin, consolidating in this somewhat of a bear pennant, bear flag, bearish rectangle, however you want to call it. Nonetheless, going to be a bearish pattern here. And we were talking in yesterday's Market Watch that, a few different scenarios that we could see play out. And, some of the scenarios I was saying was, we could consolidate in here, break to the downside for maybe a double bottom pattern before coming back up, or we could maybe just kind of break out of this pattern and then come up to, let me come to this other chart here. Maybe we could break out of here and then test these areas down here before breaking lower. And then, or I was saying we could break down and make a lower low before coming back up to higher prices. But I actually specifically mentioned with these, all these blood diamonds popping up on the chart, right? We got 4 confirmed blood diamonds on the 10-hour chart, right? So, I was saying, are we going to get to the end of this pattern? And I was saying these could foreshadow, be foreshadowing maybe either a 5th blood diamond that will wind up bringing us down, or maybe a yellow X. Now, obviously, this didn't happen on the 10-hour chart, but it is basically playing out exactly how we thought. We are at the end of the formation. Actually played out better than we wanted. We got the yellow X on the daily chart, right? So I do think that this could be the thing, guys. I do think that so many blood diamonds. Anonymous, I know. It's absolutely unbelievable. Did he sell? Can you also talk about ETH just being nasty as compared to BTC? Yes, we're going to take a look at ETH in just a second. Did he sell? Did I sell? I mean, I've been sold. I still have some of my crypto, but I took profits. But anyway, yeah, blood diamonds, blood diamonds all over the place, guys. Now, I do think that this yellow X could be the thing that we need to either come down and double bottom, or come down and make a lower low before coming up to higher prices, right? And as you guys know, I did want to see us come down and make a lower low, because then we can have a chance to maybe get a bullish divergence, making a higher low on market cipher B and a lower low on price, making that bullish divergence, which would give us the ability to, launch off to much higher prices. As you guys know, if you watch the stream, eventually when this relief bounce does come, I do think we have a potential possibility to come all the way up. I think we'll definitely get up here, but I do think we could possibly work our way up to, this resistance line here, or even this trend line, right? There's kind of confluence there, right? And this is coming in at about 36, 37K. So I do think that's definitely possible for our relief bounce, but this yellow X on the daily does add validity to the fact that I think we will have one more last leg down, whether it's a double bottom before coming up, or if we come down to make a lower low before coming up. Either way, this yellow X is the thing that I think could bring us down to finally find a bottom locally, and maybe even a bottom for the bear market, guys. Now, if we look over here at the daily money flow, actually, you know what? I'll leave this for, there's a couple more things I want to look at, but I'll be honest, I'm gonna save that for, I'm gonna save that for the Market Watch video that's gonna come out right after this live stream. You guys can check that out. But I do think this money flow could come down a little bit more. Now, guys, there's some more things popping up on some other charts that that are showing some really bullish, really bearish stuff. Oh, this is terrible. This is horrible, because I cannot get I can't get new charts, right? Unless they're already on here, which they're probably not going to be. Yeah, I'm not even going to be able to show it, guys. All right, guys, give me 1 second so we can pull up this next chart here. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, guys, I'm literally going over there to use the keyboard. I'm actually going to bring the keyboard. This is a nightmare, guys. I wish you could see my setup right now. This is an absolute nightmare. Okay. All right, here we go. So if we come on over to the total 3 here, guys, the total crypto market cap, it just doesn't want to, let's see. Total, boom. Okay, guys, yellow X on the daily for the total market cap. Not a good sign here. This is another reason why I think we can get this last leg down. This is pretty big, guys. This is pretty big. Yellow X on the total market cap. Very, very big deal. I think this could definitely bring us down. Just kind of really adds confluence to all these blood diamonds. It adds confluence to the bearish formation, the bearish patterns that we're in. Now, coming up back to Bitcoin, right? Yeah, not good, guys. When I looked at the total market cap, I was like, if we get like a blood diamond or something on total market cap, we could definitely come down. We could definitely come down some more. Now, with all these blood diamonds, right, we got 12-hour blood diamond, right, 16-hour blood diamond, 4 blood diamonds on our 10-hour, 8-hour, I think there's 2, 3 on the 8-hour. So definitely not good. I think the last time, I said this in the Discord, if you guys are in the Discord. Now, the last time, this is kind of reminding me of, last time we've seen this many blood diamonds pop up on the higher time frames like this was back here when we got our last rejection out of this bear flag, which is essentially the start of this massive downtrend. We had 2 blood diamonds on the 8-hour. We had a blood diamond on the 10-hour. We had 2 blood diamonds on the 6-hour, right? So this was like the last time. Now, I don't think we'll come down this much because this was obviously a much different time. We had money flow coming out and just crossing over into the red. And over here, obviously, we have money flow coming up. We've been in the red for quite some time. So I don't think we're going to, it was a different time. So I don't think we're going to come down this much. But nonetheless, I think that was the last time we saw that many blood diamonds popping up on the higher time frames like that. So just interesting to note that. I definitely do think there's a good chance that we come down a little more here. So yeah. And I'm not going to be able to pull up my trades just because of our technical difficulties here today, guys. But our Ethereum short is now up closer to like 80%. We already had a lot of profit taken out. I did enter another Bitcoin short. I told you guys that yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I told you I will be looking to enter another Bitcoin short. I did enter one. It was a little bit less. It was with a little bit less money, so I am going to enter another Bitcoin short. Here, let me show you guys. I'm going to probably enter another Bitcoin short if we could get this money flow to calm down on the 1 hour a little bit. If we can get this to cross back into the red, I'll probably be looking to enter another Bitcoin short on another Femex account with a lot more capital than the one I just entered before. So we're building the shorts, guys. We're building up the shorts so we can hopefully ride this last leg down, grab some profit, and then start to look for longs for a nice relief bounce up. Because on this channel, guys, we make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. And if you're new, coming from TikTok, Frankie Candles on YouTube, come on, join the Candle Mafia and make some money with us. But yeah, guys, I did think that was very interesting, and I love that we called that on the Market Watch video yesterday. That those blood diamonds could be foreshadowing a possible yellow X at the end of the formation, and it is literally exactly what's happening right here. So if we could just pour out of here, like I said yesterday, we would be seeing exactly what we want. Like I said, I'm starting to build some pretty good short positions, and I'm gonna ride it down, baby. I'm gonna ride it down. But yeah, just in general, VWAP crossing over that 0 line on the daily confirms in got an hour and 41 minutes to confirm this yellow X and this red dot. Probably, even without this yellow X, this red dot on the daily, probably going to bring us down some, just so you guys know. All right, let's check chat real quick. Let's scroll here. You could have said anything yesterday. The sound was off. No. Anonymous, I'm talking about the pre-recorded market update that we did, not the live stream. Yes, the live stream last night was an absolute nightmare. I apologize. Tyler, you are the man. Mr. A, or Al, as we call him on this channel, says Tyler's the man. Tyler is Tyler is the man. 533 people here, only 135 likes. Yeah, guys, smash that like button. Remember, for every 100 likes you get, or we get, you guys get an extra spin on the Wheel of Pain and Pleasure, and you will have a chance to win a free Cardano NFT, right? I think we're giving away one so far this week. If you guys want to enter to win the free Cardano NFTs, please, if Tyler or Tony can link the video to our Death Cross video, they'll put a link to a video in the chat. You guys got to go to that video, give it a watch, give it a like, leave a comment, and be a subscriber, and you will get entered to win a Cardano NFT. Carlo De Leon, what is going on, man? Thank you for being back here. Biomex, what is going on? Oh, Biomex. Crypto Billy, I said you messaged me. I think it was Biomex that messaged me. I saw that, Biomex. I will answer you. And it's gone. Flat smack. And it's gone. I love that. Mod Gods, how y'all doing? I'm going to get a double blood diamond tattoo. Me too. I think I might get a blood diamond tattoo. That'd be pretty cool. Can you, yeah, Fluff Sound, we could probably try to get into that. Let's see. It's Loon C now. Yeah, guys. Oh, God. Let's see. Why is there so much time at the beginning? You have tried to skip that when I watch your videos. I like the rest. Jay Surfer, yes, we usually let the thumbnail run for about 5 minutes, like as a waiting room for people. 100% going down from here. Yeah, flat smack, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Let's see. Total 3 is all alts without ETH, question mark. What is going on? It's okay. Just talk, Frankie. We're here for you. Thank you, Chemistry Bro. I appreciate you. Frankie is sick and having dementia. Take a day off, Frank. You know when they call you Frank, you know they're serious. Ryesh, I appreciate you, man. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I probably should be laying in bed right now, but I don't know. I don't like taking days off. I'm sorry. We work in sickness and in health. I'm sorry. It's a problem. I probably should work on that, but I'm here for the CandleMafia, guys. I can't take the day off. I just won't do it. Let's see. Hardest working man in crypto. Anonymous, I appreciate that. Lol, hey everyone, smash those likes up. Let's see. Bitcoin is like a fat kid sitting on a tiny branch right now. Wow. Flat smack. Yeah, that's a good way to explain it. Anonymous, I did take one of those tests you're talking about. Came back negative. Can you please explain? Oh, wow, flat smoke. We could try to talk about that. I don't want to try to spend. I don't really want to. We'll talk about fluff sound. We'll try to talk about that at the end if we have time. If not, I can cover it in another stream, or maybe I'll make a video about it. Let's see. Close my ETH long after that mini bounce. Nice, Anonymous. Down, then up, then down, then sideways until 2024. Yes, probably. Double bottom. Sold my ETH at 4,400. Nice. Cavasurf. Let's go. Selling at the perfect time. What time frame is that golden pocket? I mean, it shows up on any time frame, but it's basically this golden pocket was pulled from the March 2020 dump all the way to the all-time high. That's how you get that golden pocket right there. But yeah, guys. So Yellow X on the daily, not looking very good, guys. Taking a look at the DXY, something else we can keep an eye on, guys. Also, just a heads up, guys, it might be a little bit, I know I say this all the time, might be a little bit shorter of a stream, or maybe it'll be a full 2 hours. I don't know. I am going to try to get out of here a little early as I am kind of sick. But we're going to keep going. But with the DXY, guys, obviously we are showing signs of topping out here. Now we are, let's go down to the 1 hour, boom. Okay, so, you know, we are finding some support on this line right here. Also, possibly, not on this time frame, where was this? Lower time frames. On the lower time frames, starting to possibly be putting in some bullish divergences in on these lower time frames. Boom, boom. Yeah, like boom. But yeah, starting to put some bullish divergence. I think we could probably get a bounce closer up to this resistance level right here. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for that. If we do wind up getting a bounce on the DXY, guys, this is kind of what I think would happen. Depending on how high we come, you know, we might, you know, come up and test this level right here. If we get above there, maybe we come test this level right here. Either way, if we make this move in this direction, you know, chances are we're going to see Bitcoin drop a lot. That could be a catalyst. You know, once you see this DXY starting to come up, that's probably when you're going to start seeing Bitcoin come down. And the fact that we're coming up to this resistance or this support right here, definitely, you know, looking like we could get a bounce off of these levels here. So keep an eye out on that. The SPY getting a nice little bounce here. Bitcoin not really following suit as much as it usually does. But yeah, nice, you know, moving up with the moving up for the SPY. You know, found some support on this trend line here, starting to come up, but we are approaching resistance here. You know, we did get rejected pretty hard right here. So, you know, we might just come up and then just get rejected and come back down. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. But big things, guys. Really, the big things are the yellow X on the daily, right? This is pretty big. And now let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Also, pulling a yellow X on the daily time frame, definitely not the best look. So yeah, you know, ETH's probably going to come down a bit here now as well. You know, God, I couldn't have asked for anything better. This is what I wanted to see, guys. I want to come down and make a lower low. I really hope we could do that. ETH's looking like it's almost close to double bottoming out here. But yeah, we'd love to see this come down a little bit more. You know, daily VWAP crossed over for Ethereum. What do we got? About an hour and a half left to confirm this. Let's take a look at these other time frames here. Now, we didn't get the blood diamonds on the 12-hour or the 10-hour. I mean, we did have a blood diamond here. Actually played out beautifully. But yeah, 10-hour, no blood diamonds. 8-hour, no blood diamonds. Yeah, we didn't get the same blood diamonds as we did on ETH. But look at this, guys. Look how this played out. This is why, like, just simple TA, guys. Like, it's not even really rocket science. Like, here you go, bear pennant, right? Like, this is just textbook. Like, this plays out a lot of the time, right? Like, you would want to have confirmations. You don't want to trade just based off of this. But, you know, you come in, boom, 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 you're bouncing around, you break out or you break down, you come up, test the previous support as resistance, and then you come down. Obviously, you came back up. I mean, you could even call that a second test of this trend line. You know, I mean, maybe not quite, but then you came back up towards, and you rejected off this line, and then you finally came down. So just very, very interesting. I like to point out how these things play out, you know, for you guys, because they do play out often. So anytime I see it, I like to point it out. You know, this yellow X on the 6-hour brought us down a decent amount. Just to give you guys an idea, if we come over to the daily on Ethereum, let's try to find where the last time we had a yellow X was. Oh God, have we never had a yellow X? Wow, right here there was a bunch, but now it's very interesting, guys. The yellow X is, you know, this is kind of, this could be, you know, yeah, what is this? This is 2019. You know, this, yeah, kind of hard to say here. Yeah, it brought us down about 15%. But if we come to Bitcoin, guys, coming in at 29,599. You know, we are having this yellow X down here. Now, we had a similar situation here during the summer lows. Now, it's almost like these yellow X's are signifying a bottom more than they are signifying massive drops, right? So, if you, let's go ahead and grab this. You know, this one brought us down, you know, in that same candle, you came about 10% down. If you come to the next lowest, you know, swing low, boom, and you come all the way down to this wick right here, it's about 25%. And then this one here brought you down, you know, about 15%. So if we, you know, if we extrapolate those numbers, you know, to current times from here to, you know, we've already come down about, you know, 6%. If we come down 10%, that would be a perfect double bottom. But they, you know, between 15 and 20%. So 15% would bring us down to about 25. That would be good enough to give us a lower low and possibly put in a bullish divergence on the daily. Or if we come down 20%, that would bring us into about 23. You're getting into those mid to low 20s. That could be the bottom, guys, for sure. So you know, just to give you guys an idea of like, you know, how these can play out. You know, sometimes you see these yellow X's print and then you get a massive dump, but they do indicate, you know, they tend to pop up at the bottoms here. If we come down, yeah, see, this is probably closer, you know, they tend to pop up at the bottoms, right? You don't see the yellow X pop up here and then you see it pour down. Rather, it pops up at the bottom, right? So are we gonna see, could we possibly see something like that happen where, you know, how much did this bring us down? From here to there, about 6%. I mean, that's kind of how much we've already come down. Are we going to see something like that before actually having a big move up before coming and making a lower low? That's definitely possible as well. But again, these yellow X's also came in like at a bottom, took you down about 14%. So it is, yeah, look at here again, they show up at the bottoms. So very interesting. Obviously, this was the bottom of the bear market in 2018. So yeah, I mean, it is interesting. Question is, you know, actually the question is, did we see these popping up on the total market cap? That is the question. Can we, let's just pull up the actual total market cap here. At the bottom, 2018. Yeah, you see them popping up over here too. So yeah, it seems like we could be in a similar situation as when we were getting, you know, when we were in the bear market of 2018. You know, there's a lot of similarities, guys, between the bear market of 2018 and now. You know, that's kind of what made us be able to say we were in a bear market before everyone kind of accepted we were in a bear market. We got a lot of hate. I got a lot of hate for saying that we were in a bear market. Because everybody was still calling for the extended cycle, and I started calling a bear market, and everyone got really mad at me. But the reason was because there were so many similarities. The structure was so much more similar to the bear market. It was so similar to the bear market in 2018 that it was almost undeniable that we were in a bear market. So it's just the similarities are undeniable. So it does look like you know, right? We peaked out, we came all the way down, and now we're starting to print yellow X's. In 2017, we came down. I think this could be where we are. Very similar, right? I think that, you know, we came up, we came all the way down. We're printing a yellow X. We're going to come down a little bit more, and then we're going to get a big relief bounce. And then, you know, if history repeats itself, we'll continue lower, possibly. But yeah, I mean, I would say we're either here or, you know, more likely, probably like right over here. This is closer to where I think we really are, right before this big last leg down. But we'll have to see what happens, guys. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Wow, Bitcoin getting a little feisty. Getting a little feisty, coming back up and testing these upper levels of the little bear pennant that we're in here. Bitcoin getting a little feisty. Yeah, looking to get into the another Bitcoin short here in a short period of time here, guys. Let's see. 2 hour. I don't know. Money flow is starting to come back up here. Money flow on the 1 hour is starting to come back up. Yeah, I would like to see this 1 hour money flow start to curve over and calm down. Yeah, might be looking to get into another short. I'm waiting to see if this 1 hour money flow could cross over into the red. 90 minute, probably, yeah. I feel like we're probably going to come down, right? I think we're going to come down before we go up. I think we'll get one more last leg down. That's kind of my thoughts, guys, on Bitcoin. And then again, you know, let's try to find some levels here. Let's try to find some levels. Let's pull up the let's pull up the 2-day chart, and let's see. Let's see. I mean, there's really let's pull up the VPVR. You know, the scary thing is, guys, you know, when we start losing this golden pocket, yeah, I mean, 23, 22, I mean, this is probably the next, this is, you know, where can we go? Where can we go? If we lose this golden pocket, this is probably where we're going. This is probably the next spot we're going. We'll probably, you know, okay. If we break down out of here, this is probably what we're looking at, right? We come down, boom, we'll probably lose this right away, come straight through here and land right here at about 24. And then, you know, maybe we'll bounce around here, come maybe down to 23. 24 or 23. If we come past, if we can get lower than this low right here at about 25.3, if we can get lower than that, I do think we're probably the next stop is going to be between 24 and 23.5. Like, what is this right here? Or I would say between, we'll probably land between 24.5 and 22.5. 24.5 and 22.5 is probably going to be the next stop if we take out this low from the recent past at about 25.3. So there's some levels for you guys to watch. And then, you know, at that point, maybe I'll update the Discord with some of my take profit levels for these shorts, where I'll be taking profits on the way down. But, you know, probably looking to close most of the shorts down here. And then probably looking for that daily bullish divergence to start forming with the higher low like that. You know, if we come down here and play like that, that'd be a perfect bullish divergence. And in that case, I would start to look for longs. So that's kind of what I'm looking at, guys, for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at chat real quick. Let's see. Mafia, if you were starving and you only had your wallet on a desert island, would you eat your ETH? I would. I smother it in island relish and chase it down with an ice cold Budweiser. All right, Ryesh, let's go. All right, let's see. Frankie, you just said no one knows, but continue to say what you think is going to happen. Yes, GS, absolutely. That is exactly what I said. I said no one knows what's going to happen, but this is what I think is going to happen. Very important to realize that nobody knows what's going to happen. We can make our best guess, right? We can make our best guess and use TA to put the probability and the odds on our side, but no one absolutely knows what's going to happen. A lot of noobs in the space, they think that people know. Like, they think like the experts know what's going to happen. They don't. They don't know anything more than you do. You know, they might be better at TA. They might be better at, you know, they might be more experienced. They might know more. But no one knows what's going to happen. But we get it right a lot of the time on this channel. Not 100% of the time. But using TA and probability and statistics and odds, keeping the odds on our side, we're able to predict things pretty well, but no one's ever right 100% of the time. That's why I'm not really big on signals, trading signals, because, you know, you're bound to lose some of them and people lose their minds, which is, yeah, it's just not really good look. Let's see. We'll take a look at Step and Mark, no problem. Let's see. Glad to have you back, Frankie. IMIX. Thank you for being here. All right, let's see. Frank is a warrior. Let's go. My master. Michael Kubicki, what is going on? Bonilla 420, what's going on? Thank you for the nice chat. What bullish news do you think the guys behind the curtain will put out at the bottom to start pumping the market? Official recognition of crypto? Yeah, Wick. Very interesting. You probably hear a lot of people say, show me the chart or show me the news and show me the charts. I'll tell you the news or whatever. Yeah, it's going to be pretty funny. It's like, we're going to get down to those prices, right? And for the, what is the story going to be? Maybe Luna makes a comeback or we get some bullish news out of the Fed or you don't know what it's going to be. But I can guarantee you the good news is probably going to come down when we start hitting the bottom here. So, yeah, we'll have to see what it's going to be this time. Frankie, bring up the 200 moving average on the daily. Every time we've rejected off of his marked the start of a bear market. 2017, it was a 67% drop. Then the next bull market, it was a 57%, and now we have a 47%. All right, let's see. Yeah, we'll pull that up. Let's see. Bada boom. All right, yeah, we'll pull it up. 200 on the daily, 200-day moving average. Yeah, so yeah, Lane, thank you for pointing this out, because this is one of those things that, this is why it looks so similar to 2018. So if we come on all the way over to 2017, let's go to the Bitstamp chart. Let's see. Boom. Yeah. So, let's measure it. So you come down, you break the 200-day moving average, you come up, and then you reject off of it. And, I don't know if this marks the start of the bear market. I would argue you were in a bear market, probably since the break of the top. Probably doesn't, signal the start of the bear market. But you do wind up, you reject off the 200-day moving average. There is subjectivity to that. Like, where does the bear market really start? A recession in traditional markets is a 20% drop, but as you guys know, we could see a 20% drop on Bitcoin. Within 5 minutes, you could drop 20% with Bitcoin. It's really not. It's just another Tuesday, right? But yeah, nonetheless, it looks very similar. You come up, you reject, you come down. But from here, even from here all the way to the bottom, this was about, 67%. I think that's what Lane was saying. And then, so, how far are we down from our rejection off of this 200 moving average in the current prices, right? So we came down, we rejected, and now we are down about 47%. Yeah, I mean, what was it in 2014? I'm just going to go off your numbers, Lane. I'm just going to assume you're right. Let's see. 2017, it was 67%. The next bull market, it was 57%, and now we're at 47%. Yeah, what was it in 2013? Let's see. Let's see here. All right. Let's see. So we'll consider this the rejection. Oh, come on. Boom. To the bottom. So 77%. And then 67%. Oh, is that what you're counting? I guess you're counting this as a bull market. I wouldn't count this as an actual bull market. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what you're talking about. So I don't count this as a bull. This is not another cycle bull market, in my opinion. This is essentially just this is like a fake out bull market. But yeah, nonetheless, I mean, we're still measuring based off of rejections off of the 200 moving average. So that could still make sense to me. But yeah, down 47%. I think we're nearing the bottom, guys. I mean, I guess this is kind of just more ammo for the side that thinks that we could be close to a bottom. I would agree with that. Now, what do I think could bring us lower, right? If we do wind up coming down to, so the thing is, we've never come down to test a previous cycle all-time high, which would be right here, this blue line. We've never done that before. We've never come down to test a previous all-time high. Now, with that being said, it doesn't mean it does not mean that it's impossible, right? So I do think we'll probably bottom out, if not here. I do think we could bottom out, maybe 2022, if not all the way down to 20. But I mean, if we go all the way down to 20, that would be a first in history that we tested a previous all-time high. That is kind of what makes me think the bottom could be more somewhere in this region right here. Now, also, if we go to the weekly chart and we take a look at the 200-week moving average, you can see in every other bull market or every other bear market, we eventually came down and touched that 200-week moving average, right? And that signified the bottom. 2017, boom, we moved sideways, crossed into the red with the money flow on the weekly, got another 50% capitulation, and came right down and flattened out right against that 200-week moving average. So, that was the actual bottom. That was the perfect time to buy, the best time to buy. And then you had that little fake out run in 2019, and then, just to come back down to that 200-week moving average and wick all the way back down, basically to the lows of the bear market. So it gave you a second time to get in at the bottom. But again, you came down to that 200-week moving average. Now, this is the one thing that makes me think we have a little bit more to go. This 200-week moving average has not been touched yet. It's been touched in every other cycle. We have not touched it yet. So you got to keep an eye on this, because it doesn't mean that we have to come down and touch the 200-week moving average, but it would make a lot of sense to come down here and touch. However, and also, right now it's coming in at about 22K. So, you know, whether we waddle around here for a little bit before coming down or, you know, we come straight down. If we come down and test this 200 moving average, this 200-week moving average, we would be bottoming out at about 22K. So if we get down here and touch this 200-week moving average, that has historically been the absolute best time to buy in history if you buy at the 200-week moving average. The best strategy ever would be I only buy when we're touching the 200-week moving average. If you just did that, you'd be a bazillionaire. So that is another reason why I think we could come down for another last leg down. So going to be keeping an eye on that. But the question is, you know, are we going to possibly see a move up before, you know, because if we move up, right, in my opinion, if we come down to touch the 200-week moving average, that's really close to the all-time high, right? But if we come up and move up a little bit, it gives the 200 moving average a little bit of time to move up a little bit, and then we could come down and test it. And, you know, if it keeps moving in the same pattern here, it would come in closer to about 23 to the mid to low 20s. So, you know, anything can happen here, really, guys. But that is a big reason that I think that we do have a lot, whether it happens right now or we pump before coming back down to lower prices. We have not touched that 200-week moving average, and we have done that in every other bear market. So at some point, I think it is likely we come down and touch that 200-week. All right, let's see. Let's see. What about upside in this run? Was the same. Michael, I don't 100% understand what you're asking there. Oh, upside was the same. Are you talking about just like upside? No. So, guys, yeah, I mean, from the bottom of this bear market all the way to the all-time high was about 2,300%, right? So, and then, you know, from the bottom of the last bear market, yeah, from the bottom of the last bear market, which was down here, to the top of this bull market, was significantly higher for 13,000%, right? So you had 13,000% gain in 2017, and then only, you know, about 2,400% increase. So as the cycles move on, the gains get significantly less and less and less due to logarithmic regression or diminished returns. You know, as more money enters the market, it tends to stabilize. It becomes less volatile, so the drops are less severe and the pumps are less severe. So, you know, it's kind of just a sad fact of the game here is, you know, more time, you know, with Bitcoin at least, right? You know, we're not going to see more than a, you know, 2,400%. We're probably going to see more of a, you know, we'll see less of a gain in the next cycle, unfortunately. But there's always altcoins, right, that are going to have bigger returns than Bitcoin. But, you know, eventually Bitcoin's going to get boring. It's become like the stock market eventually when there's enough money in there where it's just going to slowly go up over time. It's going to become boring. The only reason Bitcoin goes crazy is because it was a new asset class. It had a low market cap, and you know, so it rips like crazy. But eventually, Bitcoin's going to be the boring thing, and you're going to have to trade alts if you want those crazy gains. To be 100% honest, guys, you know, you always want to own some Bitcoin, but if you know, a lot of people who are going to get in on this next cycle, you know, not financial advice, but you know, you always want to own some Bitcoin, right? I always recommend that you own a little bit of Bitcoin, right? But, you know, if you don't have a lot of money, in the next cycle, Bitcoin might not be the best thing to invest in, right? Obviously, you want to invest. I always recommend this. Like, you want a higher percent, like, if it's percentage-wise, you want a higher percentage of your portfolio to be Bitcoin, Ethereum. You know, Bitcoin and Ethereum should be most of your investment, right? They're safer. And they still will have really good gains. But if you don't have, specifically if you don't have a lot of money to invest, if you have a few $100s to put in, Bitcoin might not be the best thing to buy because, you know, in the next cycle, if you're not going to go up 2,400%, like, you might want to go into a lower cap. It's really hard to grow your investment with Bitcoin if you don't have a lot to invest because it's going to gain less and less over time. So you might want to go into maybe Ethereum would be even better, but even Ethereum, you know, Ethereum is getting up there in market cap too. So it's like, the gains on Ethereum aren't going to be that crazy either, but obviously the lower down in market cap you go, the more risky it's going to be. So there is that risk to reward ratio that you have to think about. But even if Bitcoin gets boring over time, don't worry. The altcoins will always be there. They'll have crazy gains, and you'll still have the 100x altcoins or whatever. So don't worry about that. What's going on with Ethereum in the short term? We'll take a look at it in a second. Jeez, Crypto Granny, you got in Bitcoin at $300? Let's go. Are you a billionaire? Are you a billionaire, Crypto Granny? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. What's your ceiling for Solana next bull market? We could try to take a look at that. All in XRP. Yeah, I still have all my XRP, guys. I have not sold any of my XRP. Any of it. Shout out to our 2 viewers on TikTok, guys. We are very small on TikTok. We're much bigger on YouTube than we are on TikTok. So shout out to the 2 people on TikTok. I love you. All right, let's see. I'm going to dip my toes in the trading, but I'm going to take it easy. I've been a hodler for over a year and have spent 2 to 4 hours per day soaking up crypto and blockchain information and news. Rob the Crypto Snob, first of all, pat yourself on the back because you're doing a great job. That's what you should be doing. And yeah, you're approaching it in the right way. Dabble, like ease yourself into trading. You don't have to go crazy. You don't even have to start with leverage. And if you do want to try leverage so you don't have to risk as much money, just make sure you start with very low leverage. That's all. Just start with very low leverage, because if you use high leverage, it essentially becomes gambling. If you start, unless you really know what you're doing, you don't want to start using high leverage. So just dabble. I would recommend maybe KuCoin. KuCoin has a lot of different coins that you can invest in, and they offer low leverage. So if you wanted to try and mess around, I would recommend maybe trying out KuCoin at first, or maybe just start trying out with paper. That'd be even safer. You're the man, Frankie. Kino, I appreciate you, Kino. You're the man. Paper trade for a few months. Yeah, girls for the lel. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, try paper trading. That'd be the safest way to do it. But just understand that when you start using your real money, those emotions are going to creep up, and that is the hardest thing to get past. So if you're paper trading, you're not going to have those emotions come in. So just be prepared when you move to the real money. You still want to start small because you're going to have to start to deal with those emotions. Let's see. Frankie, let's say I was already a millionaire before crypto. Love to all. We are all making moves for financial wealth. Let's go. Crypto Granny's been out here counting the money. Let's go. Crypto Granny had those bagels. Let's go. Let's see. Spot trade and you can't lose. Less gains, but safer for noobs. Did you mean to rhyme, CL? That rhymed. I don't know if you meant to do that. However, you can lose. Yes, spot trading you can lose. I don't want anyone to get that twisted. You can lose, but you'll just lose at a slower rate, right? When you start using leverage, you gain money much faster, right? If Bitcoin goes up 1%, you're making gains faster, but you also lose your gains way faster. So it's give and take. But spot trading is way better for noobs if you want to start trying that out. It's way less risky, but still risky. So I just want to be clear about that. Let's see. Tony D says, Frankie Candles, personal favor. Melanie. What's up, Melanie? What's up? Shout out. What's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Let's see. What do you think of VeChain, Frankie? I had a lot of VeChain. I sold a lot of it because I was in profit. But I like VeChain. It's one of the very few projects that's actually used, has actual good use case, and has been around for a long time. So I think VeChain will be back in the next cycle. I'll probably pick up another big bag of it. Let's see. Yo, Frankie, SafeMoon is up 130% in the last... yeah. Let's look at SafeMoon, guys. Let's look at SafeMoon. I've never looked at SafeMoon on this channel. SafeMoon. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wowee. Yeah, SafeMoon is up. That is right. Look at that. Making moves. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, SafeMoon's like one of those things that it's like, SafeMoon is the coin that is a scam. Like, everybody talks about how SafeMoon's a scam. But I have to say this, guys. I don't recommend buying meme coins unless you're willing to gamble your money. If you want to, $100, whatever it is, and you're willing to gamble it away, hoping that you make money, and if you lose it, you don't care, then buy some meme coins. But I don't really recommend it, but I will say this. I bought knowingly risky. I knew it was risky. I knew I was probably going to lose the money, but I bought SafeMoon the second day it launched. The day after it came out, I bought SafeMoon. And it's the only coin that I own that has never gone into the red. I have literally never been in the red for SafeMoon. It has always been green. I have never been in the red for SafeMoon. So it's just really funny because everyone's like, SafeMoon's a scam, and I get it. It probably is, but like, no one's pulled the rug yet. People are able to sell. So like, I'm not saying it's not a scam, but I'm just saying like, it's the poster child for scam coins. And like, no one's rug pulled it yet. It's like the longest ongoing scam ever. I don't really get it, but it is funny. Obviously, I've never been in the red because I bought it the second day it came out. But it is just funny. It's like SafeMoon is the only thing out of all the good projects I own. SafeMoon has never been in the red. So very interesting. All right, let's see. Dr. Seuss vibes on that one. That's the key. Need to divorce yourself from the emotional aspect of trading account. Burn the fund in your mind. Yes, absolutely. Instead of investing a SafeMoon, send me 100 of ETH, and I promise not to laugh at you. Enrique Suave, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Frankie, do you ever worry that there could be a massive crypto crash, including Bitcoin, where all the coins we have today die? Sorry for the doom and gloom. CL, not really. I mean, like, you mean just everything just goes to zero? I mean, not really. No. It's not, I guess it's not impossible, but I mean, I don't really worry about it. It's kind of like, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not impossible, but yeah, no, I don't ever worry about that. Listen, everything is risky in life, right? You go get a job, right? And you go get a lot of people go get a safe job, right? And they think they're getting a safe job, but then something like March 2020 happens, and all of a sudden they lose their job. It's not as safe as you thought it was. Nothing is as safe as you think it is, right? Especially the safe route, right? If you take the safe route in life, right? I think that's the most dangerous route, in my opinion, right? If you take the safe route, I only invest in bonds, or I only invest in this, I only invest in that. Like, that's all, everything is risky, right? And even taking the safe route is risky because it's not high risk, low reward, but it's like, it's low risk, low reward. You know what I mean? Like, you take the safe route, like, yeah, you're doing what everybody else does. The payout is but like, it could go to, it could disappear too, right? So you go get a safe job. The pay is, you're not making millions of dollars. You're just making like a moderate income, but it's safe, right? But then you lose it, something like March 2020 happens, you lose that job, and you're stuck at nothing anyway, right? You lost everything anyway, and it really wasn't paying off that great either, right? Like, I don't really know what I'm saying, but yeah, I mean, I don't worry about that. Like, what's the other option, right? The other option is to invest in the stock market. It's safer. Like, what if all the companies go down to zero? That's possible too. People are like, what if Bitcoin goes to zero? Like, what if Tesla goes bankrupt, right? Or like, what if Amazon goes bankrupt? Like, these are all things that can happen. So, no, I don't really ever think of it going to zero. Could it happen? I mean, I guess, but I never worry about it. It's probably very unlikely. Frankie, that's why you 100x leverage. Absolutely. Too much money invested into the space for it to liquidate. We all good. 100% not financial advice. Lol. Jimmy Two Shoes. Shout out to you, man. Absolutely. Yeah. That's the other thing too, is like, I don't invest, if all of my crypto investments went to zero and I never got my money back, I mean, it would be like devastating in a way, but it's not all my money, right? You don't want to invest more than you're willing to lose, right? So like, when you invest, even when I invest in like Bitcoin and Ethereum and like good projects, I assume that like, I never invest what I can't lose, right? Like, I still have other money. So there's that too. Yeah, and let's see, yeah, David Buckley says, dollar goes to zero, greater than Bitcoin goes to zero. Yeah, absolutely. That's the other thing. People are like, you have all your money in Bitcoin? That's so dangerous. It's like, what are you going to do? Keep it in dollars? Dollars are literally worthless, and they are literally losing value every single day. They are literally printing money. So it's funny, like a lot of things that people talk about, you know, Bitcoin's risky, crypto's risky. It's like all those people have their money in the worst currency ever. Dirty, disgusting fiat. The thing is, they're just uneducated. They don't know. They don't understand that their money is worth nothing. And at the snap of a finger, their money can be worth half of what it's worth now. So due to inflation, right? So, and money printing. So those people just simply just don't know. But they will say it like they know. They say it with their chins up. They're like, haha, you invested in Bitcoin? I have a high yield savings account, you idiot. And it's like, yeah, I'm the idiot. So these people. Anyway, 583 people in here. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Go ahead and smash that like button. Every 100 likes you guys get a spin on the wheel and a chance to win a Cardano NFT. So let's go for 450. Let's go for 500 likes. We could do it. We got 600 people in here. We can get 500 likes. Let's get it done, baby. Let's see. The dollars like Terra Luna keep printing until it hits zero. Yeah. I like my wealth to be in things that are 100% guaranteed to go to zero and only have value because the government forces us to think they have value. Connor Anderson, you got the right idea. Let's go. Let's see. Okay. Frankie, great as always, watching midnight every day from the UK. Bing bong. Mark Jones, thank you for tuning in all the way from the UK at midnight, sacrificing those precious sleep hours. I appreciate you. Yeah, Enrique says, Frankie, to be fair, the dollar isn't the worst currency ever. Those currencies backed by the dollar are the worst. Yeah, there you go. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and start looking at some alts. If you guys have any altcoins that you want me to take a look at, throw them out. Actually, Blessed Auto Group just said AVAX and Sol, so we'll start off with those, and then we'll move on. I made an 8 chicken parm today for the first time in my life, and it was amazing. Thanks for the tip, Rob the Crypto Snob. Let's go. Get that chicken parmesan going. Let's go. Okay. All right, let's take a look at Solana. I'm like trying to do it on my laptop here, but I'm over here. Okay. Let's go for Solana. Okay. Boom. All right. I am sweating. What's up, TikTok? We still got the same 2 viewers. Let's go. You guys are here's about Luna. I prefer ETH. Thanks, BTC. Oh, wow. You guys have been chatting in here. Let's see. What's up, Jay Hot Dogs? What's going on? I like your name. Crypto Tracker, what's going on? 8 red candles in a row. Actually, 9 red weekly candles in a row. Crypto Stacker. My guy, Frank, Beast Coast, what's going on, man? This is probably a Twitch stream, right? No, it's a YouTube stream. TikTok, if you guys want to check it out on YouTube, it's Frankie Candles on YouTube. We are live. I prefer ETH. Yes, so do I, Andre. Oh, Frankie Candles, I heard about this, man. Oh, this is Tone Drone. Tony we got Tony D in the TikTok chat. XLM, ZZ Pools. Yeah, maybe ZZ Pools will do XLM for sure. Let's see. When shout out. Tone Drone. Shout out to Tone Drone on TikTok. Guys, we got the mods crashing the TikTok chat. Tone Drone is one of the 2 viewers. Oh, we got 4 viewers now. What's good? What's up, TikTok? All right, let's see. Solana on the daily. I wish there was a way to show these people my chart. I don't really, there's really no good way to do it. We'll figure it out. All right. There you go. Yellow X on the daily for Solana as well. Last yellow X that we had on the daily actually did bring us down quite a bit here. We can boom. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're coming down 58%, that's for sure. Because you have to remember, guys, you know, it was a different time back then. You know, we had money flow just crossing into the red, right? So we had a whole journey into this red money flow wave. But now we're seeing it probably starting to bottom out here a little bit. So maybe this yellow X brings us down just a little bit. You know, brings us down just a little bit before coming back up, finding a bottom. So yeah. But yeah, yellow X on the daily, looking the same as Bitcoin. Confirms in about 56 minutes. Yeah, 10-hour blood diamond, 8-hour blood diamond. Let's see what the lower time frames look like. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, it does look. Yeah, it might be bottoming out. Yeah, 10-minute looks like it wants to cross over. 15-minute blood diamond. Yeah, lower time frames are kind of conflicting. 90-minute in the red. 2-hour in the red. Yeah, I mean, I think it could come down. Yeah. Yellow X on the 3-hour as well. I mean, that probably played out. 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, long story short, on a lot of these alts are probably going to have this yellow X, and they probably can come down a bit. Let's check out AVAX. Boom. Yeah, same thing, guys. With the altcoins, in the environment that we're in, a lot of these altcoins are going to be... Roberto says, what's with the yellow X? Them blood diamonds be dangerous. Absolutely. It confirms a 50-minute yellow X. Yeah. The yellow X's indicate market manipulation, guys. So usually when you see these yellow X's, you see a massive drop to the downside. This is a perfect example right here. Hey, we got, guys, we got my mom in chat. We got Mama Candles in chat. Show her some love, guys. Show her some love in the chat. She is the originator of the sauce. She made the recipe. Show her some love. There she is. Give Linda some love. All right. So yeah, a lot of these are going to look the same as Bitcoin, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Yellow X, I think it's probably going to bring us down. Long story short. Let's look at Steppen. Yes, Steppen got yanked down. Yeah, I mean, you see these blood diamonds, they take time to play out sometimes. 4-hour. Yeah, this thing got dumped. But you are sitting on this value area low right here, so you probably will find some support here. You don't have yellow X on Steppen, so you might get a nice little double bottom here before coming back up. Yeah, you are printing a red dot on the daily. But yeah, you are sitting at this value area low, so we'll see. Maybe, yeah, I think you have been finding some support there. Let's go down to a lower time frame and see what's actually going on. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, I mean, you are getting a nice little bounce off of this area. Yeah, money flow on the 10-minute, looking the curve up. Yeah, I think maybe you come back up and test this level before possibly dropping down more for Steppen. But yeah, it just got brutalized for sure. All right, let's see. Let's see. I need to test it, but I may know a way you can stream your desktop to TikTok using an Android emulator and OBS. Interesting. Brian, interesting. Mama Candles, Raya says, what's up, Mama Candles? Yeah, showing love. Let's go. We love the sauce. Hope, what's going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here, Hope. We all love the candle sauce. Love for Mama. Look at that. Mama's getting a lot of love tonight. Let's go. Good evening. You raised a good man. Be very proud. Rob the Crypto Snob, I appreciate you. Let's see. Sand. We could take a look at Sand. My yellow X just disappeared from my Bitcoin 50-minute for next candle. Interesting. I just heard there is a crypto satellite in space. Dragon Modded. What is going on, Dragon Modded? I see you. What's up? All right. Yeah, Tron's going nuts, right? All right, let's see. Yeah, Tron. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Turn off market cipher A. Yeah, look at Tron, man. Wow. Yeah, making moves. Tron's making moves, guys. Tron is making moves. Boom. Yeah, looking pretty good. Let's see. no daily yellow X on this thing. Yeah, I mean, this thing's looking completely different than Bitcoin. You know, starting to cool off a little bit, though. 1 hour starting to come down with the money flow. 2 hour, yeah, starting to come down. 3 hour. Yeah. But yeah, no, Tron absolutely on fire. Yeah, daily VWAP coming down. I think it probably cooled down a little bit. But yeah. Let's see. Let's look at a couple more here. Let's see. Hello, Frankie from Costa Rica. Excellent content. This is my favorite. Oh, this is my first bear market. Watching closely. Want to retire in 5 to 10 years. OVD, your best chance at retiring in the next 5 or 10 years is paying attention in this bear market. So pat yourself on the shoulder. You're doing good. Let's see. What's going on TikTok? The lag from TikTok and YouTube. Oh, the lag from TikTok and YouTube is crazy. Let's get it. Love you, Frank. Hey, Sam Hills. What's going on, man? Love you too. I love you too. All right. Let's see. Oh, we got Tyler Durden on the TikTok. Let's go. All right. Let's see. Crypto Granny, could you tell me where you heard about Navy Fed selling crypto? Sand is good one, Frankie. Is the only one up for Metaverse. All right, let's take a look at Sand. eGold, I love eGold. I think eGold's good. eGold's got a nice low supply, circulating supply. That's why I like eGold. Why is ETH down so much more than others today? Did I miss news? I don't think so. Let's take a look at Sand. Steve Goobleman. What is up, Steve? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Said Mama Sauce didn't make meatballs. Oh, God. Oh, no. What about Matic? Okay. All right. Let's take a look at Sand, guys. Let's take a look at Sand. Yeah, I mean, we are sitting right on our support zone here. Not looking too bad. Daily VWAP above that zero line for quite some time. This thing's got to be coming down at some point soon. Let's see. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Do we have a yellow X? No. 6 hour. I mean, so here's the only problem I have with Sand right now. Is you could be printing somewhat of a bear flag here. I mean, even if you draw it to here, that's not the best look in the world. I mean, you could drop a little bit more. I mean, yeah, look at this. This bear flag played out beautifully. Look at this thing. Boom, bear flagged, fake out, and then ripped it down. Love it. Kind of the same thing possibly happening here. Could see a move down. However, 6 hour money flow crossover. Actually, 2 hour money flow coming out, 3 hour money flow. Hard to say. 12 hour coming up, 16 hour coming up daily. Yeah, I think you could be finding a bottom here on Sand on the daily, but I think maybe you probably have one more last leg down, same as Bitcoin and ETH. Probably have one more last leg down before coming back up for a big relief rally. All right, let's see. 514 people, guys. Let's run it up to 500 likes. I think we can do it. Yo, Frankie, if I made an intro song exclusively for your show, would you use it? Just curious. DJ Mad, it depends on how good it is. If you make a song that I really, really like, 100% I would use it, and I would show you love too. I would shout you out all the time, for sure. But yeah, if you made something I liked, yeah, absolutely. I don't want to be like, yeah, 100% if you make me a song, I'll use it just in case. Like, I don't know what kind of music you make. I don't know what kind of music it is. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's bad. If it's not good, then I probably wouldn't use it just because I'd like to have high quality stuff on the channel. But dude, if you make some good, let me know what kind of music you make. I mean, if you want to just send something to me, if it's good and I like it, I will 100% use it. I actually think it'd be cool to use the community's art on the channel. Like I think that I would be I am motivated to use. That goes for anybody. If you guys make music, I like electronic hip hop beats, like that kind of stuff for the channel, like upbeat, like EDM or hip hop ish. Stuff like the waiting room music, like any music I use on the channel, that's kind of the stuff that I like. If anyone in the community makes anything like that and sends it to me and I like it, I will 100% use it and shout you out. 100%. Gonna work on a few tracks and you can let me know. DJ Mad, let's go. DJ Mad, I'm pumped. Not gonna lie, I love your intro songs. Thank you, Dragon Modded. Thank you. Guys, the intro to yesterday's stream was kind of lit, and I'm so mad that I was muted. Because it would have been a great intro. I got you, say less. Let's go, DJ. 80s freestyle. Hey, DJ May. Tyler says, just leave Ramos out of this. We need his flute sometimes. Thoughts on ETH? I love ETH. I mean, I think dumping begin. Oh no. BTC falling right now. Let's go ahead and check on it, guys. Yeah, I mean, this yellow X is probably going to play out at some point. Actually, I wanted to check on these higher daily time frames. Random yellow, random line, guys. If you guys don't know, this channel is brought to you by random lines that I don't mean to draw on the chart. So yeah, sponsored by Random Lines on TradingView. Anyway, yeah, so waiting for these yellow dots, waiting for these green dots to print on the higher daily time frames. On the 6 and the 5 day, looking imminent to have these green dots. You are currently printing one on the 4 day, and the 3 day has one confirmed. Actually, 3 day is probably going to roll over again. But the 4, 5, and 6 day, looking to print those green dots. And the 4 day is currently printing. Let's come down to our lower. Let's go to the 1 minute degen time frame and see what is Oh, whoa. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Little dump ski. Might find some support here, though, so don't get too excited. Might find some support and dump back up. I mean, oh, God, man, this thing is just, I thought this was going to be again, guys, the breakout of the bear pennant. Boom, retest, dump, right? Now, obviously, it would look a lot cleaner if we look at it like something on the 15-minute, something like that. But yeah, you break out. This is what you want to do. You don't want to trade the breakout. You want to wait for the retest, enter your trade, and then ride it on the way down. Absolute textbook right there. Bear pennant, break down, retest, dump. Now, you don't want to just trade these patterns alone. You want to, have it mixed with other things, other confirmations. But, when you see these formations on the chart, I recommend you draw these out on your own chart and see how they behave, right? Because anytime you see a bear pennant that breaks down, a lot of times you'll see it break down and everybody wants to FOMO into that trade, and then they get stopped out only to have it play out in their favor. So you don't want to be part of that. You want to come in, wait, be patient, and if it dumps from here, you missed it. Big deal. You get the next one. It's not a big deal. But you want to wait, be patient. It will retest, and then you enter your trade here, and then ride it on the dump down. That is how you trade these patterns. Again, you don't want to trade the patterns alone. You definitely don't want to trade the patterns alone, but you can use them to add confluence and confirmation to your trades. But yeah, coming down a little bit, I don't know. I have an unfortunate feeling that we might just kind of bing bong around a little bit here, unfortunately, before finally breaking down. But please just do something, Bitcoin. Do something. It's like you want to poke it with a stick. Like, is it alive? Move. I hiccuped a little bit here, but then it's just right back to the boringness. Unbelievable. All right. Let's see. I never thought Scary Slick Ginsler was able to shake and scare even. Let's see. It's a dip inside a dip. Absolutely, Wick. Let's see. What's up, Chris Schaefer? Welcome back. Thank you for being here, my man. Frankie's like Jordan playing with flu-like symptoms. Killing it. Yes, guys. We are here, rain, shine, in sickness, and in health. No days off, guys. And, I already felt like I was slacking because I was taking work from home days. I took 2 work from home days, or 1.5 work from home days. And I already felt like a loser for taking a work from home day. But I was still working. I just did it from the house. But yeah, I don't like days off, guys. I get anxiety. If I'm not working, I have anxiety. I like to work all the time. It's honestly to a fault. I should probably not do that. I should probably take a break and not try not to burn myself out. But I'm so blessed to do something that I truly enjoy and that I love, and I get to hang out with you guys all the time. So a lot of times it doesn't feel like work, but it is still tiring. But yeah, no days off, guys. No days off. I'll sleep when I die. Just another strand in Bart's hair. Yeah, that's the other thing too, guys. I actually wanted to point that out. It does look like another reason, yet another reason why I think we can just come down again is it is looking like we might be Bart Simpsoning. So, if we just get rid of these, let's get rid of these trend lines real quick. So yeah, I mean, a lot of times how you see these play out is you pump up. Let's undo that. So you come up and then you just Bart Simpson down, right? So you got an ear here, right? And then you got the eyes and the hair, right? So it could just be a Bart Simpson pattern here as well. So I do think there is a good chance that we come down. So yeah. All right, let's see. Random line capture. Let's go, Connor. In here, we are family, Candle Mafia. Absolutely, DJ Mad. Absolutely. Loving this huge bear flag. Me too, David. Me too. Hey, we remember what happened last time, right? Bada boom. We were calling this for so long. And I'm not going to lie, people were freaking me out because I saw this and I was like, this is so bearish. This is so bearish. We're in a massive downtrend, creating a bear flag. Like, this is bear market stuff. And everyone's just screaming, it's going back up, it's going back up. And I was like, am I wrong? And that's why you should just listen to yourself, guys. You got to do your own research and listen to yourself. That way, if you're wrong, at least you're wrong because of you and not because of somebody else. But there we go. We saw it play out as a bear flag anyway. So I do think we can see this come down. Same thing here, right? Just looking at this bear pennant here, it looks like we're probably going to break down. I think we see something like this. Somebody clip this in case it happens to play out. If it doesn't play out this way, delete the clip forever. Delete it forever. We're never wrong. I'm kidding. We're wrong sometimes. But this is how I see this playing out. Boop. Right? That's what I see. That's what I see. Clip it. Somebody clip it. Okay. So let's take a look at a couple more alts before we go ahead and spin the wheel here. All right. Let's see. What else do we got? That sounds scary, Tyler. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Tyler Durden, I lost power the other day and I was so lost without internet, I just took a nap. Tyler, unfortunately, I think I would be in the same position as you. All right. Let's see. Busy Jordy, what's going on from TikTok? All right. Interesting. Okay. Let's take a look at some more of these alts clipped. Thank you, guys. Shib. Okay. Listen, I'll look at SHIB, but I'm not going to really do TA on it because there's really, let's look at SHIB. SHIB. Okay. Shiba Inu. So I'll tell you guys a little story. I hate SHIB. Now, I don't hate it for really any good reason. Other than everybody thinks it's going to go to $1, and it's not. But listen, I hate it on Doge too. A lot of people made money with Doge, okay? So I hated on it. A lot of people made money with it. So I'm not saying you can't make money with SHIB, but I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole, just so you guys know. Like SHIB, I doubt SHIB will come back in the next cycle. And if it does, then it's just a blue chip meme coin like Doge is, right? Doge came back, and I would have made a lot of money if I bought Doge, but I just refused to buy it. They're pointless. It's pointless. This is a useless coin. But hey, if you can make money with it, that's all that matters, I guess, right? But yeah, SHIB is yeah. I mean, what was the? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. There's really no TA that you could really do on Sheeb. Let's go to the daily, I guess. Let's turn on market cipher. Hey, there you go. Yellow X on Sheeb. It's going to 0. No, I'm kidding. It's already at 0. I'm joking. It's not. It's whatever. It's at 0.1501. But yeah, I don't know. This actually, it looks the same as Bitcoin, to be honest. No blood diamonds on the 12-hour. You got yellow X's on the 12-hour. Yikes. And I'm just kidding, guys. I don't actually hate Sheeb. I just don't own it. Yeah, 2-hour. Yeah, money flow crossed back over on the 2-hour. I mean, if Bitcoin drops, this is going to drop. Honestly, guys, looking at the alts right now, with the exception of, you know, something like Tron right now, or things that are just going the opposite direction. Crypto Camper, I watched you throw $100 at Luna the other day, and you won't own Shiba. No, yeah, that's what I mean. I'm kind of joking. I just, like, if I wanted to gamble, like, whatever. I'm not saying I would never buy it. I've bought things that are way stupider than Shiba. I bought SafeMoon at, you know, like, granted, like, I understand when I buy these things that, maybe that's what I don't like about them. It's like, I would buy Sheeb, but I would buy it knowing that it was a lottery ticket, right? I think people, like, the thing I don't like about Sheeb is, like, people buy Sheeb and, like, they think that there's actual use case. Like, they're gonna burn tokens. They're coming out with an NFT marketplace. It's like, I don't buy any of that. But it doesn't mean you can't make money with it, right? Like Luna, I put that $100 in Luna knowing that I was probably gonna wake up the next day and it was gonna be at 0. I woke up the next day and it was 5x'd. So I took profit, took my initial investment out plus some profit, and I let the rest just sit in there. So I've already made money on the Luna, but I was prepared to wake up with it at 0. I think the problem I have with Shiba is, like, people think they're actually doing stuff with it, and I don't think they are. So, but yeah, that's a good point. I bought things stupider than Shiba, but the difference is I think a lot of people buy Sheeb thinking that it's an actual good project, and it's not. Let's see. How was that Luna trade doing? I just kind of said it. I took out my original investment plus some profit. I don't have it open right now. I mean, I'm live on TikTok. Otherwise, I would check it on my phone. Enrique says, but just imagine if it gets to a penny. That's the thing. It's not going to get to a penny. Enrique, in order for it to get to a penny, this is like the sad thing. Now, I'm not going to say it's impossible. Like, I mean, nothing's impossible. But for Sheeb to go to a penny, its market cap would have to be an unrealistic, an unfathomable number for it to go to a penny. Like, it's just impossible. You have to understand, like, how market cap works, and that's why that's why it's never going to go to a penny. But I mean, let's see. Let's go. Yeah, it would have to go. Where's the penny? Right here. Okay, so it would have to go up 11,000%. Yeah, it's just probably never going to happen. The only way it could happen is if they burned, like, all the supply. If they do that, then it probably could hit $1 or a penny or whatever, but they're probably not going to do that. But yeah, the entire crypto market would have to 10x and go entirely into Sheeb. Yeah, Enrique, yeah. I don't know the exact number. There's actually a website that tells you. I'm going to figure out the website. I got to ask BJ. He knows about it. You put in the coin and the price, and it tells you what the market cap would have to be for the coin to get there. And it would be a perfect way to explain to people why Sheeb's never going to ascend. So yeah. But if you want to take $100 or whatever the money is to you that you're willing to just completely gamble and throw it into Sheeb, by all means, have fun. You might listen. People got rich with Sheeb. Someone who knew nothing about crypto bought into Sheeb and became a millionaire. I've been in crypto for years, and I didn't buy into Sheeb and become a millionaire. So That's the thing. It's like, I'm not saying you can't make money with it. I'm not saying, you know, you could definitely make money with it. But the people who buy it with hopes of it being a cent, I feel bad for those people because they don't understand that it literally will never go to a cent. Impossible. Literally, like, all the money in the world would just have to be invested in sheep. All the money that's in gold, all the money that's in Bitcoin, all the money that's in stocks would all have to go into sheep. That will never happen in a bazillion years. Anyway, good night, everyone. Best wishes to all. Let's all win. Let's go. Crypto Granny, shout out to you. And you're still learning. Yeah, learning every day. Thesis TR. Yes, never stop learning. If you think you're done learning, then you have the wrong idea for sure. Oh no, we got Mama Candles in chat saying no more Red Bulls. I'm sorry, no more Red Bull. You're right. No more Red Bull. I'm kidding. I'm sorry, Mom. That's the last one I'll ever drink in my life. I'm sorry. I love you. Anyway. Let's see. Dogecoin has held from Daddy Elon. Yeah. So yeah, Doge has come back. Doge is a blue chip meme coin. Matthew Barnes, absolutely. Frankie never not working. You got that right. All right. Okay, guys. Let us go ahead and. Oh no. All right, guys. So I'm gonna have to spin the wheel. I'm going to have to spin the wheel on my laptop. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel here. So I'm going to have to spin the wheel on my laptop. You guys aren't going to be able to see it, though. I mean, I guess I'll let you guys make the call. Do you want to spin? Wow, look at the... Okay, wow. Almost split even on the poll here. 24K or 30K first. Most people think 24K first. That's kind of what I would guess. That's the side I'd be on, but interesting. All right. Smash the like. Oh yeah, guys, we're so close to 500 likes. All right. Again, you guys aren't going to be able to see the wheel. You're going to have to take my word for it. You got to take my word for it. But if you guys are regulars on this channel, you'll know if I'm going to cheat, I'm going to be cheating in favor of you guys. I just always give you guys extra spins because I want you to win a giveaway. But let's go ahead. Spin number 1. Here we go. Big money. Big money. Let's go. Giveaway. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We got a giveaway. Boom. I'm not lying. Can you guys see that? Giveaway. Bada boom. First spin. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Spin number 2. I'll give you guys 6 spins because, if we get, there we go. 511 likes. You guys get 6 spins. Let's go. Giveaway again. You can't make it up. You can't make it up. Let's go. Giveaway again. 2 more giveaways. Let's go. Spin number 3. Let's go. Give him a 3 in a row. Give him 3 in a row. All right, I got the night off. Let's go. Spin number 4. Here we go. I keep looking over here for my chat, guys. Sorry about all the technical difficulties, guys. I really do apologize. There's really nothing I can do. Deep fake. I gotta put these deep fakes in Discord. All right, spin number 5. I'm gonna put them in Discord before we hop off. Spin number 5. Let's go. Give him another giveaway. Give him another giveaway. 15-minute Discord hangout. All right, you got it. Spin number 6 or it's 5. We'll call it 5. I think this is 6, but we'll call it 5. Give him a giveaway. Give him a giveaway. Oh, funny hat. Sorry, guys. Come on. Come on. Give him a giveaway. All right, and one more for good luck. That one landed on night off. One more for good luck. Let's go. Let's go. Give him one more. Give him one more. Oh, so close. 15-minute Discord hangout. All right, I'll do one last one. I promise this is the last one. Guys, if you want to enter to win these free NFT giveaways and you just got another one, let's go. It actually landed on Funny Hat. That looked like it was going to giveaway. I'm sorry. I rug pulled you on that one. But if you guys want to sign up to enter the NFT giveaway, if Tyler or Tony or Anon or Captain Kirk, is Captain here today? I don't think she is. If you guys could put a link to the Death Cross video, definitely go check out that Death Cross video. Watch it, like it, and drop a comment, and be a subscriber to enter to win the NFT giveaway. I think we're either 3 or 4. It's either 3 or 4 NFTs. We're going to be announcing the winner tomorrow. So so definitely make sure you tune in to tomorrow's stream to find out if you won. And new rule, you will have until the next NFT giveaway, which will be the next week. You will have until the next NFT winner drawing to claim your NFT. If you win this NFT, if you win one of the NFTs tomorrow and you don't claim it by the next Friday, we will give your NFT away on to somebody else that next Friday, just so you guys know. So we got 4 giveaways, 4 NFTs. Thank you for that, Tyler. And thank you, Tyler, for putting that link in there. I am IX. I appreciate you. Love all that. He says, love all that you do. Death Cross was great info. I appreciate you, Ryesh. Guys, thank you to each and every single one of you that tuned in today. Thank you for bearing with me through these technical difficulties. I know we hopped on a little late today. I will try to get these sorted out for tomorrow. And guys, with all that being said, I think that's all I got for today's stream. I'll see you here tomorrow, same place, same time. I love each and every single one of you. I'm not going to mess up and click the wrong button again today. That's all I got. See you tomorrow, same place, same time. I love each and every single one of you. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.